Debt is not a burden. It is a mirror of your relationship with time. Welcome to the Alchemy of Debt. The masses are taught to fear debt because they are taught to be consumers. They borrow from their future to pay for a past that no longer exists. But the Sovereign Alchemist understands that debt is simply leverage, an alchemical tool to accelerate the manifestation of a vision. There is debt that destroys, and there is debt that builds empires. To master this alchemy, you must shift your internal frequency from owing to commanding. Neville Goddard taught us that to have, you must first believe you possess. When you use leverage with the conviction of a sovereign, you are not borrowing. You are allocating the universe's infinite credit to a high-yield purpose. You are moving from a state of liability to a state of absolute power. In the 2026 economy, the elite do not work for money. They command the flow of credit. Use the law of correspondence to ensure your internal worth always exceeds your external leverage. Master the tool, but never let the tool master you. Break the chains of scarcity and use the gold of the matrix to fund your divine sovereignty. Subscribe to Aureum Axiom and reclaim your divine right to wealth. Master your reality. Stay wealthy.